When you're contemplating a move to the cloud, the number of choices can be mind-boggling. Combine this confusion with concerns about security and your team's lack of cloud expertise, and the benefits of cloud infrastructure may seem like a privilege for only the most elite companies. Blue Sentry is an advanced tier consulting partner on Amazon Web Services, the most trusted, secure, and powerful cloud infrastructure in the world. Our mission is to liberate you from the worry, waste, and confinement of traditional IT and free your business to react with agility and grow more rapidly. It's becoming difficult to find a Global 2000 company these days that is not using Amazon Web Services in some fashion. Many are entrusting their mission-critical workloads to AWS. The same is true for the world's most well-known government agencies and educational institutions. In fact, according to Gartner's Magic Quadrant study for 2014, if you combined the total adoption of the next 14 competitors in the cloud infrastructure as a service industry and multiplied that aggregate total by 5, you would still have less adoption than Amazon Web Services enjoys today. Why are so many companies moving so quickly to Amazon Web Services? The simple answer is security, performance, and return on investment. There is a lot of talk today about cybersecurity. When we hear about celebrities having their photos stolen from iCloud, we're tempted to think that the cloud could lead to increased vulnerability. But consider this. Most experts have concluded that proper use of a cloud infrastructure as a service provider dramatically increases security over on-premise or co-located infrastructure in most cases. In fact, more than one pundit has concluded that if Sony Pictures had been using cloud infrastructure, their infamous hacking scandal would have never happened. Why is this true? Imagine what your security environment would look like if you could afford a team of elite experts to focus on every area of security vulnerability. The shared responsibility model of cloud security makes this a reality. With Amazon Web Services experts focused on everything below the hypervisor, and Blue Sentry's security experts focused on every endpoint above the hypervisor, the result is far more secure than any company can achieve on its own. The best part is that when Blue Sentry creates your private cloud environment, you remain in control of all of your data at all times. Your data can be encrypted at rest while you control the encryption keys. It's like paying for a safe deposit box in a high-security bank vault. No one gets in without your key. But don't believe us. Ask the independent auditors. Amazon Web Services is also the most audited infrastructure in the world, and the accountability never stops. Perhaps this is why the CIA has entrusted Amazon Web Services with classified workloads to serve the entire intelligence community. So does all of this security compromise performance? Not at all. Performance is about speed, durability, and availability, and Amazon Web Services greatly enhances all three. Amazon's global footprint consists of 11 geographic regions, each containing clusters of data centers called availability zones, which are isolated from one another for power, network connectivity, and geography within the region. This massive distributed footprint, combined with a sophisticated set of load balancing, monitoring, and network routing tools, gives you the ability to architect environments for extremely high availability. If the base infrastructure gives you 5 nines of availability, architecting for fault tolerance moves you well beyond that dream number. Combine that with the 11 nines of durability of AWS's simple storage solution, and you can sleep much better at night. AWS also gives you unlimited ability to scale instantly to meet peak workload demand and scale down to eliminate underutilized capacity. This happens elastically, so that you pay only for what you use all day in and day out, no matter how your workload varies. Consider the peak demand of Netflix, which accounts for over a third of the U.S. internet traffic during prime viewing hours. Netflix delivers the content you enjoy completely on Amazon Web Services because it would scarcely be possible on any other platform without unacceptable cost. So let us free you from the constraints of capital expenditure, platform compatibility, geography, and time to scale. With Blue Sentry, you will never be concerned with these problems again. Technology refresh and your endless race with Moore's Law goes away as you realize that your operating dollars are always purchasing the most state-of-the-art technology. And believe it or not, we have saved the best news for last. The cost of operating on the cloud and its elastic pay-for-what-you-use pricing model dramatically enhances your ROI. In addition to completely eliminating capital expenditure forever, Blue Sentry saves its clients 40 to 60% on average on their current operating costs. We can tell you with precision what it will cost to operate before you move, and if your business allows you to bill back expenses to your clients, our patent-pending software can allocate all of your cloud costs to individual clients for billing or management purposes. We give you the itemized bill. You decide how to use the information in your business. So if you thought cloud infrastructure was out of your reach, think again. Blue Sentry has the experience to help you make the best decisions and the expertise to make your vision a reality. We can take care of all the undifferentiated heavy lifting and offer you the freedom to strategize and execute. There's nothing left now for you to do except grow your business.